The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Dr. Dawes. Today, I must address serious concerns regarding the $31 million medical drill procurement scandal for Only Children's Hospital. Medical Technologies Limited's response has failed you. They have acknowledged the transaction but dodged every critical question about transparency, legality, and why taxpayers paid 10 times the global price. Let's talk cost and lack of proof. Where are the import records? Where is the customs declaration? If this drill was legally imported as they claim, why can't they show us the paperwork? A $31 million price tag demands proof, not press releases. The ministry failed the public. The Ministry of Health designed these procurement rules, yet their lack of oversight borders on neglect. This isn't just about one drill. It's about a system that allows irregularities to thrive while our hospitals struggle. Clear conflict of interest. Donovan Williams admits holding shares for a hidden majority owner. Who is this mysterious person? Do they have the power to influence contracts? The public deserves answers. I am calling for 3 things. First, the Auditor General must investigate. Second, Customs must release all documents pertaining to this importation of the drill. Third, SARA and the Ministry of Health must confirm if due diligence was done. This isn't politics. It's about protecting every Jamaican dollar. To MediTech, threatening lawsuits won't silence questions. To the public, stay vigilant, stay focused. We will pursue this until accountability is served. Thank you.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.